Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Little Nightmares 3 game. So if you are playing the game on Steam, then go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, and here under general you can see the language option. It's by default selected as English. From here you can select any of the language that you want, and once you select the language, restart your system once, and after that you can find the game on that particular language. Now if you want to again revert it back and change to English, now again launch Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you can see the language option, again select English from here. After selecting English, restart your system and then you can find the game in English language. So by this way you can easily change the language to any other language on Steam by playing Little Nightmares 3 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.